there's like a top-down approach to designing something where you open up your Figma canvas, your page, and then you just start slapping things on it. And it's like, here's the kitchen sink of I'm creating the card visual is at the same time creating a hero visual, at the same time I'm creating some call to action area. And you're playing with fonts and you're playing with rounds and corners and shadows all at the same time. And that would be like with an expected outcome of creating a page. So you're not really thinking about it from like the inside out. And then in that method, you're not really creating a design system, but maybe you are. Like I know this page, like back of the napkin sketch, just kind of gray area, some boxes and grid items out. I know it's going to need these pieces. So let me go ahead and isolate this Figma canvas into this stage into creating the card. So then you're really hyper focused on like all of the intricate little atomic elements that would make up the card. And then you repeat that for all of the other elements around the site. So when you're doing that, you're kind of creating the design system there. So for someone like us, an agency to come in and do that for you for such a small scale, that it's probably unnecessary. It's not something that we would do. And then take the same thing I said for design, you approach that with development. If you're operating in like an object-oriented principled way using CSS or whatever languages, JavaScript or any object-oriented principles, then you're designing with the intention of reusing items, which then helps with creating the system that you'll be using. So does it have tokens and is it using, like variants and is it, doing all the bells and whistles that come with larger scale design systems? Maybe not, but at least it's like, it's some base, some like semblance of an emerging design system when you start designing and developing from that standpoint.